In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by accessing settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Then click screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Wait 5 seconds, choose Got It in the pop-up and finally create your login method. Then repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm at the bottom right corner. Now if you wish to add a fingerprint, select Add in the pop-up. If you want to do it later or just don't use it, hit cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!